Hey, what's up guys? So I've been using my Galaxy Watch Ultra for some days now, and I've been making videos and you've been watching those videos on YouTube. And in this time, I have figured out quite a few things about this watch. Yes, it's a fantastic watch from Samsung, and no, it's not Apple Watch Ultra copy. If anything, Galaxy Watch Ultra's design takes inspiration from Samsung Gear S Sport smartwatch that came out in 2017, I think. The concept is copied, but the design is definitely not. It has a squircle shape. It's beautiful. It's gorgeous. In person, this is the best looking Galaxy smartwatch that Samsung has ever made. In the time that I've been using this watch, I've realized that not everyone needs to buy this watch. Or if you already have a Galaxy Watch 5 Pro or Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, you don't need to upgrade this. And here are 5 reasons why you shouldn't. The first reason is simple. There is a very important Samsung classic feature missing from this watch, and that is the rotating bezel. Now, if you're a fan of the rotating bezel, which I am, this watch does not have it, and it's a main thing that Galaxy watches are popular for. It's very easy to navigate around the watch. It's very fun to navigate around the watch and use the watch, which sadly is not present on this watch. And the reason given is the fact that this is 10 atmospheric pressure, water resistant, and you can take it up to the depth of 100 meters in water. So it's missing that component. If you're a fan of that, simply you can skip this one. Galaxy Watch Ultra right now only comes in LTE model. There is no Bluetooth model, it only has one model, LTE. And if you're not using LTE, if you have no use for LTE Galaxy Watch, you are paying extra money for no value at all. If that is the case, you can also skip Galaxy Watch Ultra. And the next reason is also connected with this, and that is Galaxy Watch Ultra is pricey. And one reason for that is because it only comes in LTE configuration. So you are paying more money for no value. And if you're never going to use LTE on this watch, you're paying that money for nothing. You're just handing that money over to Samsung. And I'm sure you have better things to do with that money. Next up, I want to talk about one of the main reasons why you should skip this watch. If you are not an adventure sport enthusiast, or you are not trekking or trailing every other day or every week or every month, you can skip this watch because it's geared towards people who like adventure sports, who are swimmers. That's what this watch is geared towards and geared for. That's why it has a bigger battery, so it can last all day long. That's why it has dual frequency GPS. That's why it has a track back feature that allows you to track back on your route that you've taken on your trail or on your trek. It has GPX routes where you can load a map of a place and then you can just navigate on the watch on that map. It can stand the temperatures of -20 to 55 degrees centigrade, which means you can use it in a desert or on mountain tops. And it has a titanium construction, titanium build, which is, to be honest, beautiful, and this looks gorgeous in person, but it's geared towards very specific set of people. And if you're not one of those people, you don't need any of these features and you can easily skip this watch and you will be fine. The last reason why you should not upgrade to Galaxy Watch Ultra is the software features that Samsung has released with this watch. It's running on latest Wear OS 5 with One UI 6 on top. It comes with a lot of new software features. There's new animation, there are new widgets, there are new watch faces, there are Galaxy AI features on this watch as well. Now, I'm pretty sure when One UI 6 update lands on Galaxy Watch 6 or Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, you will get 99% of all of these features on those watches, and they will just be as good as this watches. Yes, it has upgraded Exynos W1000 processor, which is a 3nm processor, which is pretty fast. And when you do the speed test between Galaxy Watch 6 Classic and Galaxy Watch Ultra comes out on top, and you can see it in the speed test. If you turn on both the watches together, you will see how quicker Galaxy Watch Ultra is to turn on. If you are swapping the watch faces, it's much quicker as well. And same is the case with app switching. But all of that can be improved with software update as well. And I'm pretty sure when One UI 6 and Wear OS 5 lands on these previous models, they will become much better as well. So that's about it from this video, guys. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you want to add something to it, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.